Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I cannot believe I'm still at 3,000 plus subscribers. That is so crazy because I never ever once thought I would make it that far. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. Hopefully today's video doesn't disappoint you guys because it is going to be a lot to take in, but it'll be worth it, I think. So I do have news to tell you guys, but we're going to save that for later. Right now, we're going to transform my Lexus. I posted on Instagram about a week or two ago asking what people thought my transformation was going to be, and all you guys guessed bags. I wish I could get bags right now. It's just not in the cards for me, and I hope you guys aren't disappointed because I know I've been sleeping on bags for like the longest time. It's just way too expensive, oh my god. I'm hoping to get them someday. Every single day is a new day. You never know, but it's not bags. And we are going to go to Lowe's right now, and I'm going to pick up some supplies. So I'll see you there. All right, just made it to Lowe's. You guys are probably wondering what I'm picking up at Lowe's. I'm actually picking up white plasti dip and glossifier, and then I'll tell you guys what I'm gonna do with those. Got a Lexus owner over here. I get hype when they park next to me. So we got 5 cans of white plasti dip and 2 glossifier. I know you guys are thinking, no, I'm not painting my wheels, but you're gonna see in a little bit. I just got pulled over by a police cop literally on the way home. There's 2 of them, and for sure they saw my lights, and he's pulling me over for exhaust and lights. Hopefully I don't get anything. I explained my situation to him. He seems pretty nice, so hopefully he might give me a warning because I already have a ticket that I got like 2 weeks ago, but we'll see. Okay, so the cop was really nice. He did give me a ticket, but it was only for my lights, so thank God. That is a quick fix-it ticket. It's not a big deal. Whew. I thought he was gonna give me another exhaust ticket because cops here can be assholes. Thank the Lord. Not the worst thing. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna turn my car into a cop car. That's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. It's pretty much a Halloween video. I'm gonna dress up my car like a cop car, and hopefully I don't get in trouble for that. Ooh. This honestly should be a sign of me not pulling through with this project, but we're gonna transform the Lexus, so let's get it.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh. Bro, can you believe I got a ticket? Fuck. I just got one like 2.5 weeks ago. I don't know if you guys remember, this is my best friend Arnold. I don't know if you remember him from the Palm Springs vlog. Arnold, how do you feel about me turning this into a cop car? Yeah, now I'm a little bit hesitant, but I already bought all this stuff and I want to pull through with it.
Becoming what you've always hated.
Becoming the enemy. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is tape everything off and cover all the spots that we don't want overspray to hit. It's not windy at all, so it's probably a really good day to do this. It's not super hot, it's not bright. So we'll start with maybe the windows first and work our way down. But look at this jank job. All this just to cover up everything around the doors. This is a lot more work than I thought, and we have come to the conclusion that since I'm only gonna have it on for maybe a week or less than a week, we're gonna do one side and the roof. Because doing both sides would be overkill, and I just got pulled over today, right, Arnold?
Yep.
Bad luck club.
See this little clear bra right here?
What about it?
You should peel it off.
Hell no! I'd only peel it off if it turned yellow, because it usually turns yellow after a couple of years. We're gonna full send right now. He's gonna do one door, I'm gonna do another door. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it! First coat. Oh, looks like hairspray. Now we're gonna paint and hopefully it looks good. I'll keep you guys updated. Is it supposed to look like that?
Yeah, we're done.
Four cans of complete ass. We got so much plasti dip in our eyes, and you guys should use these Rotos. JDM as fuck. These are fucking fire. I have the regular Rotos. If you guys are potheads, I'm sure you like Rotos. You guys get closer. It's a lot of this. It's so bad. This is just a little school art project, so we don't have to go serious about it. I'm not entering it in a show. I'm also throwing a meet this Saturday, and I kind of wanted to take it to the meet, but Now I kind of want to peel it off right after. So we're gonna see how the gloss works. Kind of just lazy and things don't turn out the way you plan. It's all good though.
Honestly, we're probably gonna peel it off as soon as we're done.
Sounds like a big waste of 50 bucks. When you're contemplating about how great your work is.
No, I'm trying to wrap my head around how shitty it looks.
Well, once we take off the sheets, it will look so much better. So guys, from this angle, it looks like ass. But if you come over here and you squint really fucking hard, fire, look at that. Holy shit, wider than his shoes. Fuck yeah. Thank you, Arnold, for helping out. He pretty much painted the whole thing just because he's painted with Plastidip more than I have. Yeah, Plastidip just sucks unless you're like fully dipping it with like a gun and like gallons of paint. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this cure overnight. This shit is ugly, but it's just for video, pretty much for Halloween, but not actually for Halloween. I think it looks pretty cool. If we did the roof, it would have looked a lot better, but we ran out of Plastidip and I don't want to buy anymore. Once we put a decal in the middle, it'll look better. On the bright side, some parts came in. Let's get it. Damn, cop car AF, Need for Speed, let's get it. All right, guys, it's currently the next day and it still looks bad. You can see it, it's not the greatest. I don't even want to bother trying to sand it to smooth it because I think you can get these shavings off. It's just for Halloween and I just wanted to get photos and a couple clips with it. So, might just leave it like that. I know you guys noticed that it does look very, very plain. So, I'm going to slap a decal on here. So, you guys are probably gonna wonder, you know, what's mental, what does it mean? I don't want to explain it just yet, but if you guys wait till the end of the video, I will be able to tell you with my best friend, who is pretty much going to be my business partner. So stay tuned till the end if you guys want to find out what this is and why it's going on my car and why you're possibly going to see it in future videos. So there it is. I kind of messed up. It's a little crooked because I had to do each letter individually because the Plastidip surface that I fucked up on, it's so rough. There's no way a decal is gonna stick. So you guys can see it's crooked. Not a big deal. It's gonna come off over the weekend anyways. I also did the N upside down. That's my actual logo. But damn, it doesn't look that bad. Now it looks a little bit more like a cop car. So hopefully it doesn't fly off on the freeway, but that's so sick. I'm so hyped on it. Now I gotta put the windshield banner. I gotta get rid of these Sharingan ones. These are from Hello Senpai. Dana makes them, and she makes such great stickers. Like, we're talking peeker stickers and everything. But these specifically will fade because of like the sun. I don't keep my car in a garage, so it's out in the sun all day. The sun is going to make oil slick fade a little bit. Yo, guys, you have to see this. My girlfriend just helped me put this on. It is so perfect. I've never wanted a windshield banner ever, but having it, it looks sick. This is like my fucking company. Holy shit, this is my brand on my car. Look at that. And we got the Smellables air freshener. This is so clean. It came out so good. So if you guys are wondering, I got it black oil slick. So when the sun does hit it, it'll give off like a hollow foil type of shine. But dude, it looks so sick from right here. Damn. Dude, I'm so hyped on it. It came out so good. It just flows with the car. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. So now that you're here, this is one thing I really wanted to tell you guys. This is the big news that you've all been waiting for. So me and Arnold are going to start a brand together. And the reason why we picked the name Mental is because I feel like everyone has a little bit of crazy in them. We're not all the same. Some people are a little bit more different than others. This is a brand that we can share amongst others because it's okay to be different.
So yeah, one of our dreams has always been to start our own clothing brand, and I thought now would be a better time than any. This just came up one day we were talking, and I thought maybe we should make something about the variety of humanistic behavior and how we're all different. Some of us are a little crazy, some of us are a little reserved. Maybe we could just share a piece of us with you guys and be able to express yourselves as your own, you know?
There's one thing that Arnold told me when we first met up, and it stood out to me so much. When people call you mental, it's very negative. It kind of means you're crazy, or you're kind of fucked up in the head, or you're just not one of them. It's okay to be different. Nothing says different like my car, and most importantly, this brand. We really wanted to keep it very simple, legible, and just clean. But at the same time, a little bit edgy, because you don't want it to be so simple that it looks like everything else. And Arnold actually designed this from scratch. This is what we're gonna go with. It's pretty much very simple from afar, and it's kind of like us as humans. Everyone on the outside pretty much looks the same, but there's gonna be some people that just don't have all the pieces lined up, and that's fucking mental.
Right now we have plans for a couple tops for the first release. We're constantly thinking about new designs, so that's what we really wanted to push. We wanted to push this edginess and creative thinking, because we don't want to recycle designs over and over again. Of course, we're going to use our classic logo all the time, but we're going to try and push out new things just for everyone to enjoy.
I honestly don't expect it to sell at all. If you guys want to support, that's great. Thank you so much. But it's not really all about the money. We just really believe in this brand. We just want to keep pumping out ideas. So don't think it's all about the money. Kind of need money for fucking car parts. So maybe it is all about the money, so cop.
We're hoping to put this in motion as soon as possible, and we're aiming for a release around mid to late November, so be ready.
And expect it to be fucking mental. So there you guys have it. That is our brand, and I hope you guys will follow us on this journey and enjoy it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below to the Instagram. Please, please, please go give it a follow. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because this is gonna be our baby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh! Later.